Everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something in your house. It's not so much as a prep as a preventive maintenance item that will keep you from having to use your preps. All right, but before we get into that, I want to remind everyone, if you haven't had a chance to take the time to, this side here, subscribe. There's a little red button down there. Just click that little red subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so you get notified and you don't miss out on any of these great tips. All righty, so what is it I'm going to talk to you about that isn't a prep, but it's a safety item? It has to do with your stove. More importantly, above your stove. You know, that smoke vent range hood up there above the range and everything. When was the last time you cleaned that filter? Ooh, we're supposed to clean those? Yeah, you are. Clean the filter is a very important thing to do. You can also, when you get it out, measure it, get a couple spares. That way, when you take it out, you can put a clean one in, and then you can let the old one soak for a day or two to get all the grease out of it, especially if it's been a long time since you've cleaned it, if you ever have. So, because that can lead to a grease fire really easy. All right, so that's your prep for today, preventing a grease fire in your kitchen. Clean that grease vent, trap, hood, contraption up there, get it clean. So I have to take the filter out, clean the rest of it, get your grease cutting wipes and wipe up there and clean it all up, get it all nice and shiny so you don't have that yucky grease up there. And when you look up there and you see what it looks like, yeah, you're going to know what I'm talking about. All right? So everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. And most of all, stay prepared. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.